Tutorial Center, and today I'll be showing you a few ways to see your upcoming assignments in Canvas. So first you will have to actually get to your Canvas page. If you don't know how to do that, that's totally fine. We have another video posted on YouTube. And then once you get to Canvas, you can click on Courses, which will be located left on your dashboard. And then you will click on whatever course you want to see your assignments for. So I'll click on Chem 1B. And then the first way to see your assignments is to actually click the actual Assignments tab. So if I click on it, it then takes me to this page. And once it loads, it'll show me my past assignments. And this is super helpful because it shows you when your assignments are due and also how many points you got for them. This assignments is helpful, but I would not heavily rely on it because it does not show quizzes. So just be aware of that. And this says past assignments because this is a concluded course for me. If this was ongoing, then it'd say future assignments. So next, another strategy you can use is if you scroll up to the top and you click on Home, it'll take you to this page and you could see To Do. And this kind of gives you a brief preview of your upcoming assignments of like 4 or 5. And that's another way to see your assignments. Next is if you go to Modules, which is located on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Modules, scroll down to where it says Week 1. And then once you're here, some teachers, their assignments actually are the modules. So this will actually show your assignments. Or some teachers actually post the overview. So if I click on Overview and I scroll down, my teacher actually posted all of the assignments we would be doing that week. So that's another way to see your assignments if your teacher posts that way. Not all teachers do post this way, so it's important to use a mixture of all these strategies. And finally, another strategy is if you go to Calendar, located below Courses, you click on it, it'll take you to this page. And this will be your calendar, and it'll show your assignments for all your courses. You can toggle which course is on and off, and it'll even cross them off when you have them completed. This is a nice feature, but do not heavily rely on it because it does not show all of your assignments, such as if your teacher assigns you assigned reading, it will not show up in your assignments. So just be aware of that. One last thing, if you do want to use the calendar feature, you can add assignments. So if you click, I'll choose Friday and I'll left click on the box. It'll take me to this and you can actually add an assignment where you could type the title, when it's due, and then hit submit. So those are 4 strategies to see your upcoming assignments. Each teacher does it a little differently, so it's nice to see 4 different ways of how to do it. And that's it. I'll see you next time.